good afternoon whenever you are. This is Moses Ogundele, CEO Trade Smart Insight. So in this video, I just want to do a quick overview of our weekly trade activities so that you all can see how and where we place some trades so that you guys can also see through the strategy that we're using. So we will be starting with gold, and Monday was 15. Yeah, Monday was 15. So take note of this. Whenever we want to analyze the market, we always start our analysis from we come to market at every 8 a.m. What time? That is West Africa time, 8 a.m. So we come and then we resume to the market at London section. Okay, so we trade London and New York section. So basically, we come to the market at London section. Okay, and the rules that guides us is we leave the market. We don't trade whenever we have news. Okay, we don't trade news. As this strategy is concerned, we don't trade news, and we leave the market an hour before the news, and we wait an hour after the news before we can come back to the market to see if we will be able to pick up trade. So once you've noted all those things down, so we come to the market at 8 a.m. on, or let's say on Monday. So we just come to the market on Monday. Let me just okay, we come to the market this time Monday, and we check through and see if we'll be able to analyze one or two here, which will give us a good signal to enter the trade. So if we look back, we'll see that the market have been maintaining uptrend. You see that the market have been maintaining uptrend. We are on 15-minute time frame. So, but I'm going to be quick with this. Okay, we see that the market have been maintaining uptrend, and if we check 1 hour time frame, we see that we check 1 hour time frame, we see that we are having a real uptrend. Okay, so coming to 15-minute time frame now, we're having the same setup of uptrend on 15-minute time frame, of which we're having higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? So now higher low has been created again, and we're expecting the market to shoot up to create another higher high. Okay, so now we are the market here, and we're starting from 8 a.m. we're waiting for market to do what? The price has already created a lower high for us here. Okay, so we are waiting for the price to close above this lower high. And if you take a look at this lower high, it came around Asia section. Okay, it came around Asia section, so it's really good, and it will serve as a level that we'll be watching for a confirmation. Okay, so once the price breaks at this lower high level and it closed above this level. So it's a confirmation for us that we have to watch for a buy trade. Okay, but we won't enter the market immediately. We need to know if this is a fake breakout or is the real one. Okay, so we have to know if it's a fake breakout or is the real one. So now here it comes. The market started what? Shooting up. The market started shooting up until it reaches this point. Okay, until it reaches this point. So as it reached this point, we know that market is definitely going to do what? It's definitely going to create another higher high. So far, our 1 hour time frame has confirmed it for us that this is a buy, this is an uptrend. So we have nothing to worry about, and we have already excluded the news time. So we are very sure this is higher high on the 1 hour time frame. So we are very much sure that this trade is good. Okay, so we come to our 15-minute time frame. We enter the trade. We enter the trade, and we enter the trade, and then we set our stop loss. We set our stop loss to be at the confirmation level. Okay, at our confirmation level, this is our confirmation level. Our stop loss will be here, while our take profit will be, we set our take profit since we don't have another nearer higher high here. So our take profit will be the price difference of our confirmation level and our entry level. So that's what we set for our take profit as well. So it should somehow be here. Okay, I'm trying to be fast with it, but I believe you are getting one or two from what I just explained. So let's move on to Tuesday. So Tuesday, excuse me please. So Tuesday is 16, and we come to our Forex Factory, and we check the news. So on Monday we check and we see that we've excluded 1:30 because the trade was around 4 p.m. So we're okay. So on Tuesday you check through. So we are looking for 10 a.m. and we're looking for 1:30 p.m. So we stop trading, we stop picking the signal at exactly 9 a.m. while we resume back to the market at 11 a.m. We stop from the market at 12:30 p.m. while I resume back at 2:30. Okay, so we note that for Tuesday, September 16. We also check through another platform because not all the events, all the news, the Forex Factory catches. Okay, so we have to check other platforms to make sure that we did not miss any major one. Okay, and because we only look for the medium and high impact. So for the Tuesday, we have almost the same thing on TradingView. So we go to Tuesday, then we pick for 8 a.m. time. This is 8 a.m. time, right? So now we are in the market around this time, and the indicator is yet to tell us the higher high level. Okay, this one has done. So we're expecting the new higher high level, and the system is yet to really tell us the new higher high level. So we look at the reversal entry, and see if possible we can catch up something here. Okay, we can see some higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low level. But taking a look at this higher low level is somehow that we have to be careful if you want to trade a sell, if you want to pick a sell trade here, because all these higher low level are really picking up for the uptrend. Okay, so we have to look for the strong level that even if it breaks, we're going to have a huge sales. Okay, so we our previous higher low level is here on Tuesday. Okay, it's here. So we're expecting the market to break here, then we can analyze further. Okay, we expect the market to break here, then we can analyze the market further. But let's go to 1 hour time frame to see what is here. And had it be that the market break here on Tuesday, okay, the market break here on Tuesday, we'll have take a look at, is it a break, is it a fake one or the real one. But throughout Tuesday, market did not reach this point. Okay, throughout Tuesday, so we have to leave it for Wednesday analysis. Okay, so come to Wednesday, we come to Wednesday, we same thing, we go to trading view, we see the event on the calendar on Wednesday. So we have one for 8:30, we have one for 2:45, we have one for 3:30, then for 7 p.m. Okay, so we note it down, an hour before, an hour after you leave the market. Okay, so now you come on Wednesday. Let's mark it AM London section. So London section. So this is London. This is London section. Sorry, please. So this London section, and we're looking for where to see some breakout. Okay, so now we come to the market around this time, and we're looking for trade. Okay, for trade. So the previous higher low has already done. The previous higher low on 15-minute frame has already done the previous one. So definitely we should be looking for lower low level. Okay, we should be looking for lower low level, and the lower low level here is around this place. So we don't need to go into deep analysis on the higher time frame, because the smaller one here is not yet even give us a perfect setup yet. It's around this place. And throughout the day, the market did not reach this point. But during the day, we have another lower low. Okay, we have another lower low during the day on that Wednesday. But throughout the day as well, the market did not reach the point, so that we can analyze it further. So that is that on Wednesday. Okay, so we go to Thursday. So we did not see trade on Wednesday as well. So we go to Thursday. So same thing on Thursday. The market was just ranging. Okay, the consolidation occurs on Thursday. So the market was just ranging from 200 pips, 100 pips, 100 pips up and down. So we could not get any trade, any any analysis done at all. So coming on Friday, we check what do we have on Friday, and starting from 8 a.m. we have 1:30 p.m. Okay, we have 1:30 p.m. Let's check trading view. What do we have on Friday on trading view? So on trading view on Friday we have 7, so they do not have 1:30 p.m. here. So we're looking for trade before 12:30 and trade at after 2:30. Okay, so now this is 8 a.m. that we got to the market. This is 8 a.m. we got to the market. All right, so now we have our higher high level as our previous level to be looking for. We have our higher high level here. Okay, and you try and zoom and see how the market looks like. So from my point of view, we see that the market has created uptrend from here, right, on 15-minute time frame. So we have this down, which I could call a retracement, because market could not reach this lower low level. Okay, so the market retraced to this point, okay, and it started shooting up to this point, okay, of our analysis. So we now have a higher high level below lower high level. Okay, so this higher high level is a strong zone that we have to look at for breakout. Okay, so we wait for market to break this price. Okay, and as it breaks this price, we let it closed. Okay, we let it closed above the higher high level here. So we mark this place as well. We mark this place and we check 1 hour time frame and see the trends we have. So on 1 hour time frame, we already have higher high level above waiting. Okay, waiting for us. So we have higher low here. So if you now go back, you see that the market is creating higher high, higher low, low high, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low. So we're expecting what? We're expecting the market to create a new higher high level. Okay, so now we go to our 15 minutes time frame. In this case, we are now looking for this as confirmed for us that we should be looking for a buy trade, but we won't enter at this price. You know why we won't enter at this price is because it may be a fake breakout. It may be a fake breakout. So we want to see price continues go up, okay, to reach our entry point. Okay, so we look for the next entry point here, and we discover that we have a price rejection at this point. When the market were creating lower higher low higher high on the uptrend here, the market and was about to shoot up again to create a new higher high, but it got rejected here at this point. So this, you can call this a rejection point, price rejection point. So we want to make this rejection zone as our entry once the price breaks this point and close above it. So we have it breaked here and it closed about the zone. So this now serves as a confirmation entry for us. So nothing much to be looking at here than to place what? To place a buy trade. Okay, and we set our stop loss to this confirmation, the trend confirmation point, our stop loss here, then our entry here. Okay, the price has gone above it. So if you look closer, we see that we have higher high level closer to closer to uh to the to the market, because the next move now is going to the higher high, so to create a new higher high level. So we set our take profit at this place. Okay, so we have a perfect trade here: entry, stop loss, then take profit. So we entered into the market, and that's all. Boom, we got our perfect trade. So that's that about silver. Then same thing applicable to gold. Let's go back to gold. Um, gold and silver move almost into the same direction. It's just that we have one to be more aggressive than others. Okay, depends on the market volatility at as at then. So this is on 15. I'll be quick with this one because throughout this week we could be able to pick up just a trade on gold, but for analysis sake and strategy sake, so that you can know where what we are doing. So I will just analyze this quickly. We already know the news we'll be looking at, the time we'll be avoiding. So this is gold on Monday, 8 a.m. Mark the 8 a.m. So we'll come to the market at this time, and as you come to the market time, we try and see the trend the market is maintaining as at then on gold. So we can see that we have a bit of market ranging. Okay, market ranging. So we don't have a really clear trend at all. This is ranging market. So we try and analyze it first. We analyze this lower high and see the market breaks the lower high level, which is this place. So but that is not enough for us, because we still have lots of lower high level being created, which serves as which we can consider as resistant, because it resists the price movement. We see the lower high here, lower high here, lower high here, lower high here. So which is market is just consolidate high level is not going to be enough for us to analyze to confirm our direction. Okay, to confirm the trend. So we pick the lower high level here, which is this place. Okay, before the lower high level, the higher high level, which is this place. Okay, so we pick the highest one, the lower high one, and we now wait for price to do what? Price to break. So that will now confirm for us that we have a trend to do what? To look for. So the price break this level. As the price break this level, wow, we got excited, and we're looking for an entry point. Okay, because you don't want to go into the market right away and start buy. Okay, it may be fake as well, because it may also want to create higher high level, which is going to shoot down again. Okay, and we don't want to risk that. So we're now looking for a confirmation entry. Okay, an entry. We are looking for an entry. So start from this point. we're looking for an entry. But before then, we go to our 1 hour time frame, go to another 1 hour time frame to see what is happening there. So on 1 hour time frame, we could now discover that same thing applicable here. The market was just ranging, lower high, low, high, low. So the next higher high level is around this place. Okay, it's around this place. It's around this place. So let's go back to 50 minutes time frame. So now on Monday, so it's Monday. So now we are expecting price to do what? To this supposed to be our take profit, uh, level. Okay, this is supposed to be our take profit level, but we are yet to really confirm our entry point, which is giving us an headache that we no zone here apart from the trend confirmation zone that we spotted, which is this candle now. No other zone that has confirmed for us that this trend will go up. Okay, so unfortunately, this level supposed to be our take profit. Due to the price difference from here to here, the market has really shoot up. So but we could not get into the market because our next breakout and close candle is here. So we're now supposed to enter here as this will serve as our entry point. But you know what? The price from here to here has already done more than enough. And if you take a look at the silver then, the silver take profit has occurred. So then I said see gold and silver move almost in the same direction. Okay, so this trade is not good to place anymore as the market has really gone far from our trend confirmation level. So we leave this trade, we did not place it at all. And if you can see, the markets were just just ranging from 100 pips, 200, 100 pips, 50 pips, and all that. So the market was consolidating. So we leave the market till Tuesday, and on Tuesday we come to the market at 8 a.m. at 8 a.m. on Tuesday. So here we're looking for what? We're looking for another high level so that we can confirm our trade or we analyze further. So we could not get anything here on Tuesday. So we're looking for this level as well to reach on Tuesday, this higher low level, so that we can see if we're going to have a reverse market. Nothing done throughout Tuesday. So we leave Tuesday, we go to Wednesday. On Wednesday, same thing happened on Wednesday. We come to market at 8 a.m. So we're looking for the next level. We're looking for the next level, and the next level is around this place. So we could not get to Tuesday. So we had the news around this place on Tuesday. So on Wednesday. So same thing on Wednesday, nothing done. So come to Thursday. Come to Thursday, they see the market as the market was just going up and down, ranging from 100 pips, 200 pips, just ranging, creating lower high, low low, consolidating throughout the day. Nothing throughout the day. So come on Friday, we have our 8 a.m. here on Friday. So on this Friday now, we got the previous lower high level created. So we are watching for this level. We're watching for this level, and we're expecting the price to break the candle stick to break this level and close above it, so we can analyze further. So fortunately, it breaks this level and close above it. So this is a trend confirmation for us to analyze further and see if we can have a buy trade. So the reason why we are confirming the trend first, to see if this is going to be a fake breakout or the real one. So as it closes above this price, so we'll look further and we look into the next level that we may target as our entry point. So another level is here. So another level is here, right? So, and if you remember, as I analyzed the silver, I said our entry confirmation, will also have to close above this line. Okay, so at this 16 time, which is 4 p.m. time, on silver, the signal has already been confirmed. Okay, the signal has already been confirmed. And I said gold and silver moved almost the same. Okay, it's just that how aggressive they are in the market is what makes the differences. So now, the price difference between the closed candle here and the price of our target price here to serve as our entry price here is just like 6 or 7 pips, 5 pips rather. So we are not really care much because the price has really close to it. So we don't have any other analysis to do than just to check our 1 hour time frame and see what is really happening there. So we now discover that the next line here is we have higher high, we have higher low. So we now see that the market has been is uptrend in general, but when it gets to this point, it's creating a consolidation zone. Okay, it's creating a consolidation zone here. So we are hoping that this will break. Okay, this will really break to create. Okay, so we come to 15-minute time frame, and since our silver is also confirmed, this also is also confirmed. It's just that the little differences here is that the price should have just closed to this point so that we can shoot up the trade. So nothing stop us. We enter into the market straight up. Okay, we enter the buy trade here, and our stop loss is at this level. So our take profit. Remember, our take profit won't high because this candlestick was a news candlestick. So the price was our mark price, the target zone will be around this place. Okay, will be around this place. So, but for fact that the market is getting to closed for the week, and we don't want to leave the trade to be running for another week, so we just exit the market at this point. So we have our trade being at profit without hitting our stop loss. So basically, we were able to pick up 3 trades this week, and all the 3 trades all went in what? In profit. Okay, so here is it to take a look. Here is it to take a look. So we have these 3 trades. Okay, we have for Monday. This is on Monday the gold that I shared with you. This is on Friday the gold as well. And no, this is silver we picked on Monday. This is silver we picked on Friday, and this is gold we picked on Friday. So these are the 3 trades. Okay, so you can see the maximum drawdown so far is 6.6%, and that was because we entered gold and silver at the same time. Okay, at the same time. So this equity started around 141 and we are sitting at 159. So I actually created this account. So that we can watch this account, and at the same time this very account is what have been placed on the broker that you can also join for social trading, so can copy it, and then you enjoy the copy trade uh, service. And also we have some account that is under this account you are seeing here independently, that you don't have to use any of my recommended broker. Okay, but the good thing is that I will leave a link in the description or on the comment section wherever you are watching this video, so you can register on this broker. Once you register on this broker, inbox me. I will tell you how you can connect with this account and copy my trade. But the thing is that if you use the link to register, you'll be getting 60% profit share. Okay, but if you did not use if you did not use the link to register, you just go to the platform and connect your account on a public link. Your profit share will be 50%. I've already set that, so that will let my people enjoy what I'm doing. So I'm actually doing that for my community. So if you are in my community, you'll be enjoying 60% profit share. If you are not in my community, you'll be taking 50%. That will be 50-50 share. So that is that. That is that about this week's trading. So next week we are looking for a good trade, and for those that on the WhatsApp group, I promise you guys, starting from next week, you'll be having a good signals to be dropped in the group, and then I'll be going live on LinkedIn and probably on YouTube, so that you can also connect with me whenever I'm trading live. So till then, have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much.